The governing standards for custody transfer using the mass flow metering system focuses on the traceability of measurement, system integrity, and metering operations. The mass flow meter brings to ship owners and operators cost efficiency and reduced delivery time while enhancing the integrity, transparency, and efficiency of fuel supply. Essentially, mass flow meter measures mass directly and not by volume, which is in line with the bunker industry standard practice of fuel supply. This allows direct traceability to the primary mass standard before being used in custody transfer. The mass flow meter is calibrated in an approved laboratory certified by SAC or ILAC and is accredited based on ISO 17025. For the most accurate measurements, a zero value must also be set and stored before custody transfer. To fulfill the proper zero setting requirement, the mass flow meter tubes have to be fully packed with the fluid. To ensure that the zero value baseline has not drifted out of the acceptable range in the governing standards, zero verification is required periodically. In accordance to the standards, mass flow meter used for bidirectional measurements has to be calibrated at forward and reverse flow directions. When there's no fluid flowing through the tubes, they oscillate uniformly by exciting the tubes on its resonant frequency. However, when fluid flows through the tubes, there will be additional twisting and turnings imposed on the oscillation, known as the Coriolis Effect. Measurement is calculated by the sensors located at the inlet and outlet to detect the electrical signals. Fluid flowing through the tube will bring about a phase shift that is the key to determine the mass flow rate. The measurement will happen for both loading and delivery, thus reducing the uncertainty. Flow parameters such as mass flow rate, pressure, temperature, and aeration will be measured and be sent to the monitor. These data will then be stored and be traceable in a data logger for at least 3 months for data security. To ensure that all fuel measured by the mass flow meter is delivered to the receiving vessel, specific pipes will be blanked off and sealed. This will disallow any fuel to flow to other pipes or back to the fuel tank, ensuring system integrity. Enhancing metering system and pipeline security, the mass flow meter system's measurement is secured against any interference before, during, or after bunkering operations. Proper metering operations throughout the bunkering process will guide in having controlled aeration to minimize measurement uncertainty. Under metering procedures, documentation for pre-delivery, delivery, and post-delivery have to be complied with. The governing standards are intended to enhance efficiency and promote best practices with the use of the mass flow meter systems. At Metcore, we're at the forefront of mass flow metering consultancy services, focusing on productivity, enhancement, and transparency to meet all of your requirements. With Metcore, we can perfect your measurement solutions.